Hello, how are you guys? So today we will do something interesting because Weaver have that boring nav mesh data and it is not good for the project. You ask why? Because let's imagine that we have very small map, so we can use it here. But if we have very large map, then we cannot afford that. The big chunk of the nav mesh. So what we use something called nav mesh invoker. So it is just quite easy. You have to just follow the three easy steps. First, you have to go to the AI, which I have like MAI character, and inside here I will add nav mesh navigation invoker. So this is good to go. Now everything is done. Another thing is you have to go to the project setting. For this, go to edit, go to like project setting. Here at the below, you have to like check for like, where is it, navigation system. Inside the navigation system, you have an option called generate navigation only around the navigation invoker. This is very important. Why we are checking that? Because the AI which have the navigation invoker, it will generate the navigation data around its periphery. Cool. Okay, next we will head to the navigation mesh. Here we will go to the like up. Where's that option? I'm inside the, okay, we have the runtime generation. We have to click on the dynamic, and this is it. You have done everything and it will like work. Now the next thing is, previously when you would have like press P, I'm just pressing P, but it is not giving that green screen, like here it is checked, but see here it is not giving me that screen. Why? Because I don't have any AIs which have the navigation invoker inside it. So what we will do, like now I will like spawn my character, I will click play. Always like slow. See, like every man is walking and it is all dynamic. So this was it, and this is very quick tutorial and quite easy to follow. Like in open world map or like very large map, never go for the static navigation area, but still you have to put that navigation area, like you have to put that navigation bound volume. Why? Because there are some time where you don't want to, like, even if you have AI, but you don't want it to move, so you don't need that. So it will generate the navigation area inside that periphery only, so you have to keep that in mind. So this was quick tutorial. If you like, okay, actually before that, let's do a test actually. See, I do have that navigation ticked on, but I haven't seen the green, right? The green screen. But as soon as, like in the MAI character, I have added the navigation invoker. As soon as I will just put him in, see, the data is here. This is the navigation data. You can change the navigation data tiling and all inside the navigation invoker. Like if you will go here, you have all the settings good to go. You can check it. So now you have it. We have tested it out and it is all working fine. So this was it. If I will delete it, and the green screen is gone. Boom. So this was it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and comment something like you like or dislike it. Come on. Take care.